Sat Nam, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today's practice, we're going to do the Kirtan Kriya. Now this Kriya helps bring mental balance to the psyche, and this mantra is often the mantra to catalyze change. I know me personally, and I know a lot of other yogis that have done this practice for the 40 days, and it will catalyze some change in your life. So if you are new to Kundalini yoga, I have a link in the description that you can download a PDF. It'll have how to tune in, tune out, about the Kriya, and how to do the Kriya. Alright, so we're going to tune in, bring your palms together at heart center and rub them together, creating some heat. And I need heat. I hope you like my fuzzy blue socks. It's cold here in Massachusetts. And bring your thumbs to the sternum. Take a big inhale. And exhale. And we're going to breathe in and tune into the first mantra. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo Om Namo Guru Dev Namo Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Inhale and hold. Exhale. Inhale, we're going to begin the second mantra. Ad Gure Name, Jugat Gure Name, Sat Gure Name, Sri Gurudeve Name. Ad Gure Name, Jugat Gure Name, Sat Gure Name, Sri Gurudeve Name. Ad Gure Name, Jugat Gure Name, Sat Gure Name, Sri Gurudeve Name. Inhale, hold. And what is your intention for this practice today? Exhale. And the mudra is, we're going to chant Sa, Ta, Na, Ma, and it's going to be Sa, Ta, Na, Ma. And bring your arms down to your knees, elbows are straight. And we're going to begin for the first 2 minutes. Sa, Ta, Na, Ma. Sa, Ta, Na, Ma. And your eyes are closed, focused up onto your third eye. Sa, Ta, Na, Ma. 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 Or you can sing if you want to. Satanama, 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 Now you can chant mentally in your head and you're still doing the mudra. Satanama, 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 Satanama. Inhale, arms up overhead and hold. Engage your root up and hold up. Exhale. Inhale, reach up and hold. Squeeze everything up. Exhale. Inhale and hold one more time. Exhale. Place your palms on your knees for a moment. Feel the energy and prana moving through your body. And bring your hands to heart center and rub them together. Place thumbs into your sternum as we tune out. May the long time sun shine upon you, all love surround you, and the pure light within you guide your way on, guide your way on, guide your way on. We're going to inhale and chant Sat Nam, long Sat, short Nam 3 times. Inhale. Sat Nam, Sat Nam, Sat Nam, Sat Nam, Sat Nam, Sat Nam. Thank you for practicing with me today, and if you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe to the video. It does help the channel out and it helps me get these videos out to more people and spread Kundalini Yoga. So I love you guys, and I will see you next week. Sat Nam.